I'm West. That's Lucy. And we're mosquito ranchers now. West goes wandering. Do you have too much blood in you? Yuck. Get rid of it. Come down to the 27-acre Mosquito Ranch. We have the finest, stillest waters for mosquitoes to breed in. We use only the finest water, 5% cow shit and 95% mosquito breeding ground territory. Can you swim? Of course you can, as long as you love brain-eating amoebas. Everyone agrees our campsites are amazing. Although you're welcome to use a tent, we encourage you to sleep outside on the ground or in a hammock, as that's the best place to feed the mosquitoes. Unlike those other mosquito ranches, our mosquitoes feed 5 to 16 times a day, can live up to 72 hours. This means that you can provide a meal for thousands of mosquitoes at a time in a single night's visit. Do you enjoy games? For 24 hours a day, you can play Whack-A-Mosquito or hide and seek. Our patented mosquito technology will track you down anywhere in the forest. Climb a tree, dig a hole. It doesn't matter, our mosquitoes will find you. Prizes? There aren't any, but you will gain immense satisfaction if you manage to whack one of our mosquitoes. More often than not, through our phantom technology in our mosquitoes, the mosquito you think is there won't actually be there at all. While fires are permitted, we encourage you not to have them because the smoke can throw off our mosquito's delicate sense of direction. Any vehicle welcome, but we do encourage you not to spend more than 8 hours in any cars, vans, or campers. This is to encourage a healthy mosquito population and growth. All sprays are strictly prohibited, especially those containing picaridin or DEET. During your stay, you may experience a low humming. Don't worry, you're not going insane. That's the mosquitoes breeding. Mosquito ranching may result in nausea, inflammation, itchiness, allergic reactions, paranoia, loss of reasoning, lightheadedness, and in rare cases, death. Swing on down to Mosquito Ranch today. People and cows agree. It's a fantastic experience.